Hobart School of Welding Technology presents Training in Gas Tungsten Arc Welding. Topic number 23, Job Practice. Fillet weld, lap joint, horizontal position with filler metal, aluminum. The objective of this job practice is to attain the skill necessary to produce quality fillet welds on 125 thousandths inch aluminum lap joints in the horizontal position. The finished bead face should be 3 electrode diameters wide and slightly convex with complete fusion into both plates. The welding symbol indicates that a 1/8 inch equal-legged fillet weld is deposited on both sides of the joint. Filler metal is used to produce a slightly convex weld face. Material: 125 thousandths inch aluminum. Electrode: pure tungsten, 1/8 inch diameter. Shielding gas: argon, welding grade. Filler metal: ER4043, 1/8 inch diameter. Equipment: power source, AC-DC combination, collet and collet body, 1/8 inch, nozzle, 3/8 inch inside diameter, protective clothing, gloves, and helmet, stainless steel wire brush, wire cutters, and pliers. Machine settings: current, AC, amperage setting, 140 to 150, weld current remote control, on, hot start, 4, post purge, 10 to 15 seconds, high frequency, continuous, high frequency control setting, 70, gas flow rate, 20 cubic feet per hour, tungsten electrode stick out, 1 to 2 electrode diameters. To prepare the workpiece, wire brush 2 pieces of aluminum to remove the surface oxide. Pay special attention to the edges where the weld metal is to be deposited. Overlap the plates, leaving at least 1 inch of the bottom plate exposed. Then, offset the plates 1/8 inch to provide a ledge at each end for depositing full-length tack welds. Hold the plates firmly together with pliers and deposit the tack weld at one end without filler metal. Tack weld the opposite end in the same manner. Now, position the lap joint flat on the table for horizontal position welding. At the right end of the joint, hold the torch with a 70-degree work angle as measured from the bottom plate, centering the electrode at the root of the joint. The travel angle is 20 degrees push. Position the filler rod 20 degrees up from the workpiece and with a 10-degree side angle away from the joint axis. These torch and rod angles should be maintained throughout the welding of the joint. Start the arc and form the weld puddle, 2 to 3 electrode diameters wide. Hold an arc length of 1 electrode diameter. The filler metal should not be added to the joint until the root of the joint begins to melt. Dip the filler rod in and out of the leading edge of the puddle without touching the rod to the tungsten. When the puddle appears as a half-moon shape, add filler metal to fill the gap. Oxide removal is indicated by a white area appearing ahead of the arc. At completion of the weld, decrease the amperage while filling the crater. Hold the torch in position to post-purge the weld. The finished bead face should be 3 electrode diameters wide, slightly convex, and have an even ripple. low a current or too fast a travel speed will produce an excessively convex bead face with poor fusion into the base metal. Too slow a travel speed or too high a current will produce a concave weld bead with excessive penetration and blistering. Weld both sides of the workpiece. Then, inspect the welds and continue practice.